Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unhide all columns in Excel. Select the entire worksheet by clicking the Select All button. That's the small triangle icon at the top left corner, where the row numbers and column letters meet. The whole worksheet will highlight with a gray or blue overlay. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+A. On some Excel versions, you may need to press Ctrl+A twice. The first press selects just the used range, so press it again to select the entire worksheet. Now move your cursor up to the column header letters at the top, the A, B, C row. Right-click directly on one of those column letter labels. A context menu will appear with several column options. Look for the option that says Unhide and click on it. All your hidden columns will instantly reappear. You'll know it worked because the column letters will now run in sequence with no gaps, and any double line indicators that were showing between columns will disappear. If the Unhide option appears grayed out, it means there are no hidden columns in your worksheet. Also, unhiding columns doesn't delete or change any of your data, it only makes the hidden data visible again. That's how you unhide all columns in Excel.